Farm animals in English.
Cow. Cow.
Cow. This is a cow. Cows provide milk, meat, and leather, and are central to dairy farming.
Bull. Bull.
Bull. This is a bull. Bulls are male cattle, often used for breeding and sometimes for draft work.
Calf. Calf.
Calf. This is a calf. A calf is a young cow or bull, usually fed on milk until it grows stronger.
Buffalo. Buffalo.
Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Buffaloes are strong animals valued for milk, meat, and pulling heavy loads.
Goat. Goat.
Goat. This is a goat. Goats produce milk, meat, and wool and are hardy in many climates.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep provide wool, meat, and milk and are raised worldwide.
Ram. Ram.
Ram. This is a ram. A ram is a male sheep known for its curved horns and breeding role.
Lamb. Lamb.
Lamb. This is a lamb. A lamb is a young sheep, often symbolizing innocence and springtime.
Horse. Horse.
Horse. This is a horse. Horses are used for riding, farming, and transport, and are very strong.
Mule. Mule.
Mule. This is a mule. Mules are hybrids of donkeys and horses, prized for endurance and strength.
Hen. Hen.
Hen. This is a hen. Hens lay eggs and are a vital source of protein in farming.
Donkey. Donkey.
Donkey. This is a donkey. Donkeys are sturdy animals used for carrying loads and pulling carts.
Rooster. Rooster.
Rooster. This is a rooster. Roosters protect hens and are known for their loud crowing at dawn.
Chick. Chick.
Chick. This is a chick. A chick is a baby chicken, growing quickly into a hen or rooster.
Goose. Goose.
Goose. This is a goose. Geese provide meat, eggs, and feathers, and are also good farm guards.
Rock. Rock.
Duck. This is a duck. Ducks live on land and water, producing eggs, meat, and down feathers.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbits are raised for meat, fur, and sometimes kept as pets.
Yak. Yak.
Yak. This is a yak. Yaks live in cold mountains, giving milk, meat, and wool.
Alpaca. Alpaca.
Alpaca. This is an alpaca. Alpacas are gentle animals valued for their soft, warm fleece.
Camel. Camel.
Camel. This is a camel. Camels are desert animals used for transport, milk, and meat.